It seems that right around the time I was leaving elementary school, chalkboards became old-fashioned. Whiteboards were all the rage. They didn't make as much of a mess, and they were just the new, hip, and cool thing. The downside? They are very reflective. We here at Fixing Your Video were just about to line the walls of our studio with whiteboard material when we said, no way, all those reflections are going to make our lives hell. So instead, we used this stuff. Let's see how it compares to a whiteboard. Another nice thing about this paint, whiteboards are surprisingly expensive, whereas it cost me $40 to cover all this. It's not quite as good as a real chalkboard, which, by the way, would also work well. The chalk tends to never get completely erased, and considering that I wipe it down with a rather abrasive cleaner, I'll probably have to apply another coat in a year or two. But the trade-off is that you can paint everything. You can have so much space. You can spread your lessons across different parts of the board. But for those who already have a whiteboard and can't switch over at this point, all is not lost. You just need to get your lights way off to the side, and big, soft light is usually the best. If you'd like to receive more video tips like this one, we'd love it if you'd sign up for our newsletter at the end of this video. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.